Hey guys, it's me again, Mariam. Nice to meet you again, guys. Today we are going to learn our fourth chapter. Let us play volleyball. Volleyball, which is the national game of Sri Lanka, is a popular sport in all schools. All over the world, both men and women play this game. Out of the skills in volleyball, the two skills, serving and receiving, take place at the beginning of the game. We will learn about underarm service and underarm receive in this lesson. Skills required in volleyball. Now guys, there are 6 main skills in volleyball. Well, let's see. Serving, receiving, setting, spiking, blocking and field defending. So, what are the 6 main skills in volleyball? Serving, receiving, setting, spiking, blocking and field defending. So first we are going to see serving. Serving is the sending of the ball to the opposite side from the serving area in order to start the game. Now guys, there are 2 main ways of serving. What are them? Yeah, underarm service and overarm service. So let's learn the technique of the underarm service now. Now we are going to see underarm service. So this underarm service can be learned under 3 stages. Well, let's see. Before touching the ball, and after touching the ball. So we know that now that underarm service can be learned under 3 stages. What are them? Yeah, before touching the ball, and after touching the ball. Now we are going to see stage before touching the ball. First, place the ball on the palm of our free hand. Place the foot of the same side in front. Move the striking hand slightly behind our body. Balance ourselves, giving greater weight to the back foot. Look straight while inclining our body forward. Now we are going to see the touching stage. So, first toss the ball a little. Swiftly move the striking hand close to our body and strike the bottom of the ball. Now we are going to see stage after touching the ball. Now, in the previous one, we saw that stage before touching the ball and touching stage. So now we are going to see stage after touching the ball. So after striking the ball, move the hand forward. And we move our back foot forward and keep our balance. Got it? Guys, there are some activities related to underarm service too. Now let's see. The activities are: first, do the action for underarm service without the ball many times. Get into 2 groups and stand 5 to 6 meters apart from each other. Practice the underarm service by serving the ball to the other team. Move to the back of your line when your chance is over. After that, the two teams stand about 4 to 5 meters away from the net on either side of it and, using the underarm service, serve the ball to strike the net. The two teams stand on either side of the net about 5 meters away from it and, using the underarm service, serve the ball over the net to the other team and vice versa. Now guys, these are the activities related to underarm service. Now we are going to see receiving. This means receiving the ball served by the opposing team. Now guys, there are two ways of receiving the ball. What are them? Yeah, exactly guys. Underarm receive and overarm receive. So, first we are going to see underarm receive. Underarm receive. The underarm receive can be learned under 3 stages. Let's see that 3 stages too. Now guys, these are the 3 stages. Before touching the ball, after touching the ball. So, what are the 3 stages in underarm receive? Yeah, before touching the ball, and after touching the ball. Now, stage before touching the ball. So, our legs should be kept apart at or about shoulder width and relaxed. Our body weight must be equally borne by both legs. Bend our knees slightly, inclining our body forward. Keep our hands on either side of our body and the eyes on the moving ball. Keep our body relaxed. So, these are the stages before touching the ball. Touching stage. Fully stretch both hands, keeping them together. The muscles area in the lower part of the hand should be kept completely relaxed. Lower the hands from the wrists. Rise as you make contact with the ball with the hands. Control your hands according to the speed of the ball and hit it upwards. So guys, these are the touching stage. Stage after touching the ball. After attacking the ball, move your hands back to the sides of your body. Balance yourself by placing in front either of your feet as convenient. Now let's see activities related to underarm receive practice. One has to stay ready to receive the ball according to the underarm receive method. When the other presses the ball on his hands, he gets up. As he gets up, the other releases the ball. Get into pairs and pass the ball to each other. Get into 2 groups and stand 5 meters away from each other in 2 lines. Using the correct underarm receiving technique, hit the ball at the player at the front of the opposite team. After your charge is over, run to the back of your line. Engage in the above activity in a volleyball court where the net is tight, using the correct underarm receive. line up on either side of the net. Now we know that volleyball is the national game in Sri Lanka. The two vital skills, serving and receiving, should be practiced correctly, and that underarm service for serving and underarm receive for receiving can be explained under several stages. These skills can be developed using various activities. Thanks for watching and listening this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, then click the like button, share, and don't even forget to subscribe. Bye. See you guys next time.